everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and it's time for another tongue twister. Are you ready? This is a funny one which I learnt when I was a little girl. I think I was in kindergarten, so it's a long, long time ago, but it sticks to memory, definitely. If you ask any young children here in Australia, I guarantee that they will know this tongue twister, and people my age too. So it's practicing the sh and the s sound. Are you ready to give it a go? Let's do it slowly first. She sells seashells by the seashore. Again, she sells seashells by the seashore. So you can see that we're also practicing the Z sound there. So we've got a sh for she, a s for sell, and a z for the plural there. She sells seashells by the seashore. Let's try that. She sells seashells by the seashore. 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 Your turn. Give it a go. Well done. It's okay to do it nice and slowly and to practice getting faster and faster. The most important thing is that you're practicing the s, sh, and z, and not mixing them up and getting them confused. One more time. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. There's your tongue twister for today. Well done. Thanks so much for listening. Go home and practice that one and stay tuned for another tongue twister coming again really soon. Bye.